Modular Lap Pool Step Installation Guide. Our modular fiberglass pools are designed for maximum flexibility. Each section is factory built, then connected on site, giving you a strong watertight pool in just days. You can customize the size, shape, and features from glass windows to spa systems and LED lights. It ships easily, installs quickly, lasts for years. The smarter way to build a pool: modular, modern, and made to last. Now, let's walk through the installation process. Step 1. Assemble the 4 main modules together. Step 2. Secure the 2 connecting boards with screws. Step 3. Lift the assembled modules to a higher position to join them with the bottom structure of the pool. Step 4. Use screws to fasten the panels and form a complete pool base. Step 5. The bottom of the pool is now fully spliced. Step 6. Begin assembling the pool walls around the structure. Step 7. The full pool structure is now assembled. Step 8. Add foam padding at the bottom for protection and insulation. Step 9. Lift the entire pool into the prepared pit. Your modular pool is now installed and ready for the next steps toward finishing your backyard oasis.